Hi everybody, Marty Simons here from martysimons.com. I'm working by the pool today, and right now I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a sales page using the Powered Lead System technology. Now here I'm on a sample site which they have allowed us access to temporarily, and all I'm going to do is go to where it says websites, and it says create sales pages. Click on that. This brings this up, and it gives you some templates to choose from. And if you're a real expert, you can put your own HTML and do this one. But since I want to do this fast and easy, I'm going to choose this one, and there's a reason why, and I'll show you in a minute. So I just hit choose, and I'm going to say video sales page, and update the title. Now here it gives you the steps that you have to do. So the first thing we're going to do is edit the top and put in a header. It gives you lots of choices of headers. I've done a few of my own, but choices of every subject, from sports to clothing to medical technology to real estate. I'm going to do one that I already have on here, and that's as easy as that. Now I'm going to edit my headline, and I'm going to center it, and I'm going to use the Arial font, and I'm going to use size, I think 36 works really well. So okay, let's go back and make it big again. There we go. And it says OK. So this is what I have so far. I'm going to edit the bottom now, and you'll see why I like this template. It says it gives you choices. I don't want anything to appear under the video. I want my content to show up under the video. And this I like. I want my content to show up after I decide. I'm going to just make it 15 seconds. And it's going to say I want buttons. And the first button I'm going to say is click here for details. And it shows you what it's going to look like. I'm just going to quickly go to my messy notepad here and grab my affiliate link, and I want it to go to my affiliate link. So there it is. Text on button 2, click here to get started. And I'm going to add that same affiliate link in, and I just want 2 buttons, I don't need 3. So okay, let's see, it jumped, so we'll see if it stayed. Okay, and let's say get Power Lead System today. And we'll make it red. Okay, and then save changes. Okay, now we have to select the video location, and they have a whole library of videos. There are some of them: dentist, retirement, health, generic, but we're not going to do that. We're going to use one from YouTube that I did myself, and this gives us a place to put the embed code. Now I'm going to go to YouTube so you can see how easy it is to find the embed code on YouTube, because a lot of people don't know how to do this. Okay, going to my videos, And this is one I did. So I'm going to click on this one. Okay. Now where it says share, if you click on that and then go one step further to embed, you get an HTML code right here. So I'm going to copy that code and let's go back to what we were doing. And I'm going to paste it right in here. Okay, and I'm going to save changes and move to the next step. Now I can view my page, or I can edit it from here. Right now, it's just saying I know this is not really going to show up as a permanent thing. All right, now here's my basic page. If I start playing the video, you'll see the buttons appear right there. And all I have to do is click on this, and that will take me to my affiliate page. And that's how
you're about to discover a product in such demand that
that's how easy it is to create this page. Now it took me 6 minutes to explain it to you, but if you had to do it quickly without any explanation and you had all your links, you would be good to go, and you could probably do this in 3 to 5 minutes. So I highly recommend that you click the link here and get on my list, and this is time sensitive, so you want to get on this before everybody else does. And I want to thank you for dropping by, and we'll see you soon.